Hello my friends, it's Christine here and I'm showing you card number 3 of Be Merry 365 to go December 2020. So these are the two cards, the two styles. They are simple. The only thing that's different is the designer series paper. This is a designer series paper that was available last year, and it is called Brightly Gleaming, and I'm using the two blue ones, the one with the star and the one with the it's like a copper star theme here. So one card opens like this and one card opens like that. So here you go. The stars go like this. The other one goes like that. Okay. So let's start with the one that opens wide. Okay. So here we go. These pieces go on first. Okay, and all you need is your liquid glue and glue it on. Okay, so these pieces have been cut out. Die cut. It was 2 1/3 by 4 and by 5 1/4. That's what I used, and then I cut it in half, or I just put the die there. So this is what it started out with, right? And then I cut that, and then that's what you get. Okay, and then you put the second one below, and that leaves you with some room to stamp your stars and your thinking of you. We can, well, you know, I'm gonna do the second card as well. Then I'm done with the gluing for now anyway. That's the bottom. All right, so this will be the bottom. Equal frame around, or equal space around, and then this is the top. And we're good. So now we need Night of Navy ink, and I took so this is, I want to show you something. So this is Thinking of Your Christmas. I want to put it here, so I want it a little bit curved, so you can do that. So when you put this down, when you pick up your photopolymer, you can do it again and you can curve it a bit. So let's see. Yeah, that works. Okay. And that works here as well. Perfect. So let's do the stamping of the Thinking of You at Christmas. Thinking of You at Christmas. Just a light tap on the ink pad is all you need. Okay, and we need the stars. Okay, again, light tap, and you have to so this wouldn't work, so you have to make sure you turn the stamp the way it curves with your cutout. Okay, so you want that. have 2 cards with the same stamps. That's not the way you want it. You want it this way. So you can see, you can find the right way, right? Perfect. Now on the inside, what I did, I had some leftover pieces. They go on the inside, and then I did "May your days be merry and bright," and yeah, we can do that. So just make sure. So we have this one on this inside. And we're going to put that in here. So these could be shorter too. I'm using my leftover pieces that I have from when I cut the pieces for the front. You know, and it just works out that way, that I have. Bring it down a bit, and if it sticks over on one end, we just use the scissors. So paper snips. When you have something sticking out, make sure you turn it around. Oops. Turn it around and trim it from the back. All right. Perfect. All right, so now we need to do more stamping. So for the inside, so outside, we have Thinking of Your Christmas. Inside, May your days be merry and bright. And I think I'm gonna, so these, I'm gonna see if I can twiggle that a bit. Yeah. So that works really well here. Okay, now let's see if the same, actually the Mary can go up now. Yep, that works. Whatever the curve is, I just want to have it the right way. All right, okay, so that's that. Let's close our ink pad. And then we are very close to being finished here. We're gonna embellish the front. Use our pick-me-up tool, turn it around and get the pointy piece. So these are the Star Designer elements, it's called, and they're like coppery. They are in the catalog. They're in, actually, you find them in the annual catalog. They were carried over into the annual catalog from last year's holiday catalog. And they are still available. I think I'm going to take this one. Okay, so this one is gone. And we need more for that card. So you, in your class kit, you have 6 of these stars. That will do you. That will do you for these. To cover all these little, the larger ones of the. Yep. And one more. And good. And last but not least, this is the in color ribbon, and it's cinnamon cider. I like it because it's got this imaginary copper tone that I was looking for. So gonna make it a little smaller, trim it down a bit. I did tie all your bows already for you, as you have seen. I just want to be nice. Okay, you don't have to fiddle with both. And guess what? That was a fast, a quick and easy card, wasn't it? So there's my samples and the ones that I made just now, and you're done. Thinking of you at Christmas. That's card number 3 for the December class. Thank you for watching.